Dhan Guru Nanak. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So last week we had finished with the verbs.
Yes, ma'am.
Last week we had finished with verbs. And this week we will be doing tenses, as I told you. Right? Who's talking? Okay, shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see, tenses. We have done verbs. What were verbs? Can you tell me any? Just tell me what are verbs? If I tell you
Verb is a word of action.
a word of action, very good. Okay.
Part of sentence that tells us what the subject performs.
Correct. Very good. It could be a helping verb also. That means the be form of the
Forming the
verb.
main part of the predicate of the sentence.
Correct. Right. So now, when an action is performed, is a tense. Tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So time of action means is equal to tense. So if I talk about tense, I want to tell you that when the action was performed. Now the action could have been performed in the present. Right now it is being performed. Right now means something that is happening at present. It could be something that happened yesterday in the past, or something I'm thinking about that would happen or may happen in the close future. So time of action could be present tense or past tense or the future tense. Now under tenses also we are having categories. We are having 4 parts. Could you tell me which one is, supposing if I talk about present tense? Under present tense, what are the 4 categories?
Simple present,
Correct.
present continuous,
Good.
perfect, and fourth,
We have the simple,
I don't know.
simple present, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and the present perfect continuous tense. The mixture of all 4 to all the 3 together.
Okay.
Right? Now simple present tense.
Same
Yes.
for all tenses.
Same for all tenses. In the past also it is simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. Now there is nothing as future tense in English actually. We refer to the future in the present only. We have certain like verbs like going to. Yeah. We refer to the
Okay.
future also with the present tense verbs only, but adding will, shall, or going to. So that we'll learn. We in English we don't say, we don't, because there is an action has been performed or is being performed or is going on. Now in the future I can only predict this may happen. So there is no future tense, but because in Hindi language we have something called the Bhavishya Kal. So we also follow the future tense in English. We follow it, but actually grammatically we have only the present and the past tense, but all the books have the future tense also. That is why if you have noticed, there are no separate rules for future tense. The verb, the present tense verb is used with the will and the shall. Okay. Now remember when we learned words and then we learned phrases and then we learned sentences, we learned 5 different types of sentences. Can you tell me the 5 different types of sentences that we have learned? Every sentence is a different type, no? What is a sentence? Anything that I talk is a
Affirmative.
sentence. Yeah, affirmative is there, but supposing, see, now I'm talking to you, right? What kind of a sentence am I using to talk to you?
Simple sentence.
Simple sentence, no. What, supposing if I ask you a question.
Declarative sentence,
Yes, a
imperative,
correct,
interrogative, exclamatory.
right? And the optative sentence, which is considered to be imperative plus declarative, correct? So we have 5 sentences.
Yes.
The declarative or the assertive, the imperative, the interrogative, the exclamatory, and the optative sentence, right? Under each of them, we are having a category of positive as well as negative. Means the sentence can be positive, that is affirmative, and it can be negative with not. Under interrogative also, we are having positive interrogative and negative
Ma'am,
interrogative.
can you check the waiting room once?
Yes, dear. Okay, beta. I've called. Ria has come in.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. So, but she came and she's left again. There are issues of internet issues. Okay. So when we are using a tense, how to use the tense in all these different types, in questions, in negative sentences, in positive sentences, is a challenging thing to know. Okay. There are rules under each of them. Tense, we see, it's saying tense is very easy. Tense is what? It is a time of action. Whenever the action was performed or is going to be performed or was performed, it's a time. But how to use it in a sentence, it differs. So let us go bit by bit. First, let us talk about the simple present tense. Now on screen, I have given you a very simple thing, which we all know, that we use the simple present tense or things that happen regularly or things that are generally true. This is common. This everyone knows. I will not remember this. There's a very, very close difference between something happening now and something that happens always. Something happening now is not simple present tense. I will not say that something that is happening right now, right, is simple present tense. No. So something that is happening now is happening continuously because the action is going on. So I can't call it the simple present tense. Yeah, but simple present tense does mean things that always happen. For example, I always go to sleep at 11 p.m. I always sleep. I'm not sleeping now. Or I go to school at 8. I'm not going now, but I go. I go to school at 8. Or I usually take a walk after my lunch, after my dinner. I do it every time. I'm not doing it
means
now.
habitual actions.
Yes, we can call them actions that always happen, habitual actions, habitual actions, actions that are true, actions that are facts. The sun rises in the east. I cannot say today the sun rose in the east. I can't do that. So I can under simple present tense, we have universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. I can say permanent facts. Permanent. Yes, dear. I've joined in. Shreya Deshmukh has joined in. Anything else?
Miss
क्या हुआ बेटा?
Universal truth are included in present, no?
Yes, सारे simple present tense के अंदर universal truth आता है.
Universal truth.
Universal truth. चांद के बारे में, सूरज के बारे में, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degree temperature. ये facts है. इसके नीचे मैं ये भी बोल सकती हूँ mosquitoes cause malaria. तो ये भी एक fact है. ये truth है. तो today mosquitoes caused malaria नहीं हो सकता. They always cause malaria. Something that always happens is a universal truth or a fact, permanent fact. वो simple present tense में ही आएगा. Habitual actions simple present tense में ही आएगा. Got it? Can you tell me other places जहाँ simple present tense use हो सकते हैं? अभी ये 2-3 तो मैंने दे दिए आपको. Now you tell me. और कहाँ simple present tense use हो सकता है? Tell me. बहुत सारी जगह पे simple present tense use होता है. कहाँ होता होगा? Tell me. एक हो गया हैबिचुअल एक्शन, मैंने बोल दिया वापस मत बोलना। जनरल ट्रुथ मैंने बोल दिया है, वापस मत बोलना। उसके अलावा आप बताओ कहाँ पर यूज होता है? टेल मी। Scheduled events, yes. Yeah, when I'm talking about the future in the present is simple present tense. Great, yes, होता है. When I want to express a future fixed action, for example, if I say the school holidays begin next week, so it's a scheduled event. If I tell you the math starts at 5 p.m., it's a scheduled event. Starts at simple present tense. Correct? Facts or generalizations, as I already told you, it's a fact. Mosquitoes cause malaria as a fact. Right? If I tell you a general truth is fortune favors the brave, it's a fact. Correct? As in she said to express a future event. Correct? For example, as I told you, the train leaves at 5:20. What else? Where else do I use? Future tense ho gaya. Truth ho gaya, fact ho gaya, habitual action ho gaya. Where else do I use? Where else will I use the simple present tense? Socho? Where have you been using the simple present tense? Supposing you're sitting in the house, suddenly somebody comes in. क्या बोलोगे? Or something pops up. What will you say? Hello, hello, bolo. Where have you heard simple present tense? Have you all heard simple present tense when you hear people on those TV shows where these chefs give you the recipes to be made? Take 2 cups of flour, strain,
Instruction.
put it in a instructions. Put it in a bowl, then make a well in the flour, then break an egg into the well. They have been doing this, and all this is what? Because they are speaking as well as acting at the same time. So when somebody is showing people how to do something, speaking as well as acting at the same time, simple present tense is being used. Correct? Supposing if a drama is going on stage and somebody is giving a narrative from behind, backstage, they always narrate in the simple present tense. The anxious spectators wait for the match to start. Here comes the referee with a whistle in his hand. The ball goes up in the air. See commentary also. Our cricket commentary. Cricket commentary is always in the simple present tense. Broadcast commentaries on sporting events, simple present tense. They will not use present continuous. Although something is happening in front of their eyes, they use the simple present tense. You might have noticed all your newspaper headlines are in the simple present tense. Prime Minister visits the site of demolition, or Prime Minister visits areas that are flooded. So they are talking about actions that have happened. The Prime Minister has not come right now. He came yesterday and went away also. But the headline is stating it in the simple present tense. So all commentaries, the drama narratives, right? If I tell you my brother works in a bank, simple present tense. My brother works in a bank, simple present tense. He's working, no? He's working means that is something, a job that he has taken up. It's his career. So something that is happening, something which is a fact, right? Or my house is close to the main road. Fact. If we have those conditional clauses also. If he works hard, he will succeed. Unless he runs, he will not win. Correct? Right? Sometimes we write, instead of the simple future in clauses of time and condition, we also use the simple present tense. If it rains, we shall get wet. I shall wait till you finish your lunch. Quotations.
If he
We
studies
introduced-
hard, he will pass the exam.
Yes, if he studies hard, he will pass the exam, right? Conditional clause in this, instead of the simple future, simple present is being used, right? We use simple present tense in quotations also. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. A quotation. So our quotes are also having simple present tense. That means there is a lot of scope for simple present tense in our lives. Right? Now, how to use it? Now I know where to use it. I know where to use the tense. Now I have to know how to use it. That is very important. Correct? Tell me how to use the simple present tense. How do you use the simple present tense? बोलो कैसे यूज होता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस? उसका यूसेज बोलो. Hello, we all have been using simple present tense all our lives. बोलो कैसे यूज होता है? How do you use the simple present tense? एक सेंटेंस में, in a sentence, if I want to use the simple present tense, how am I going to use it? मेरा वो क्वेश्चन है. How am I going to use it? क्या फॉर्मूला है? चलो इजी में बोलती हूँ. फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula for simple present tense? ये easy sentence है. हाँ?
Subject plus verb plus object.
करेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो ये कॉमन सेंटेंस का फॉर्मूला है.
By adding s or es to the end.
ओके, इफ आई add s or es to the verb, when do I add it? अभी कंडीशन वहां पर आ रही है. when do I add it? कहाँ ऐड होता है? कब ऐड होता है? बोलो. s is added to every verb. s और es is added. पर कब होगा ऐड? Make a sentence in your mind, no? Make a sentence in your mind in simple present tense. Yada, we have done nouns and pronouns both. A sentence will either have a noun. We have a subject. Now you said a sentence is made up of subject plus verb. Am I right? Subject होता क्या है? Subject एक noun होता है. Subject एक pronoun होता है. Am I right? अगर subject noun है और noun singular है, तो verb को es लगेगा. वापस बोलती हूँ. अगर subject मेरा singular है, तो मेरे verb को s लग सकता है या es लग सकता है. The bank opens at 9 a.m. Rahul always keeps his bag on his right hand side. If the subject is singular, you have to add s or es to the verb. तो वो हो गया अभी noun. अभी pronouns भी है. First person, second person, third person pronoun. Correct?
S ending in the third person singular.
Very good. He, she, it को s या es लगता है. You are right. S is added to every verb after he, she, it. Means he runs, she runs, it runs. He sleeps, she sleeps, it sleeps. He sits, she sits, it sits. He speaks, she speaks, it speaks. तो ये तो S लग रहा है. S का ES का भी लगेगा. ES का भी ऑप्शन है ना. Add s or es to the verb after the third person singular pronouns. Es कब लगेगा? It is on screen. See, for verbs that end in o, sh, s, ss, ch, x, we add es. Correct? She goes to cooking class on Saturdays. On Saturday. Go को es लगेगा. He watches. ch ending में. He washes. sh ending में. He misses. ss ending में. He goes. o ending में. He does. o ending में. So if the verbs are ending with o, sh, s, ss, ch, x, mixes, then add es. Another rule you have to remember for spelling is if there is a verb that ends with a consonant Y, remove the Y and add IES. I study English at school. Dana studies English at school. So S भी लग रहा है, ES भी लग रहा है और IS भी लग रहा है, IES भी लग रहा है. So this is how the simple present tense is formed for a positive sentence. Once again, I will repeat all the rules. Number 1, to make a simple present tense, we add S to every verb after he, she, it. We add, if the subject is singular, add S or ES. If the subject is plural, verb and no S. For example, they run. Or boys play. Correct? The simple present tense. If I, you, we, and they is used, verb plus no S. I often bite my nails. They often bite their nails. You often bite your nails. We often bite our nails when we are novice. So, simple present tense takes verb plus S for singular and third person pronouns. Simple present tense does not take S, the verb does not take an S if the subject is plural or if the pronoun is I, we, you, they. If the verb is ending with X, S, SS, CHO, add ES. If the verbs are ending with Y, remove the Y, add IES. और एक और rule है, when the verbs are ending with AY, EY, OY, UY, add only S. Got it? Got it? Now, always
ma'am.
simple present tense will not be only with action words. ये सब तो action words की बात चल रही है. This is on action words की बात चल रही है ना? Sometimes the be form of the verb can also be used, na? Correct? If the be form of the verb is used, singular subject के लिए is use करना है, I के साथ में am use करना है, और plural subject के साथ में are use करना है. Am I clear? Affirmative के लिए, positive simple present के लिए मैंने क्या rule बोला है? I, we, you, they, no, S to verb. He, she, it, verb plus S. Somebody, everybody, nobody, each, verb plus S. Is, am, are होगा तो इसको singular subject के साथ में is लगेगा, I के साथ में am लगेगा, plural subject के साथ में are लगेगा, you, we, they के साथ में are लगेगा, he, she, it के साथ में is लगेगा. अगर subject singular है तो verb को S लगाओ, ES लगाओ, नहीं तो IES लगाओ. और अगर subject plural है तो simple verb लगाना है, base form of the verb लगाना है, no S. Clear? Everyone has got this in mind? ठीक है, आगे चलूं अभी. Let's go for
Yes.
simple present tense negative. Correct? Use a simple present simple negative for things that are not generally true. I don't like, you don't like, we don't like, they don't like,
They do
he,
not
she, it, they do not like. The do not is always using the contraction beta. Don't. He, she, it doesn't like. Okay, I don't like coffee. John doesn't like pizza. John and David don't like milk. My mother doesn't like to travel. The common errors are in the present simple negative, do not add S. क्यों नहीं ऐड करना है? यहाँ पर ध्यान से सुनो. सिंपल प्रेजेंट नेगेटिव टेंस में डू या डस का एडिशन होता है. जब वो लग जाता है सेंटेंस में तो वर्ब को एस नहीं लगता, ईएस नहीं लगता, बिकॉज मेन वर्ब क्या हो जाता है? डू या डोंट, डजंट या डोंट. Once again, I'm telling you, in the negative simple present tense, when I'm showing the negative form, that time I introduce a doesn't or a don't in the sentence. once I have introduced the doesn't or the don't in the sentence, that time the verb is in the base form. Means open ही रहेगा, drink ही रहेगा, park ही रहेगा. We don't put s or es to the action verb because हमारा main verb अभी do or don't or doesn't हो गया है. Correct? My father doesn't like sweets. Doesn't like. अगर doesn't नहीं होता तो sentence क्या होता? My father likes sweets. The boys don't like dolls. Don't है तो like है. अगर don't नहीं होता, the boys like dolls. So once doesn't and don't is introduced to the sentence, the verb, action verb, does not take the s. Okay? Peter doesn't like bananas. I cannot say Peter doesn't likes bananas. Likes nahi aayega abhi. Okay? Let's go for questions, interrogative sentences. How to make questions in simple present tense. Okay? If it's a positive sentence, तो मैं कैसे बनाऊंगी? Does he like? Does she speak French? Does the cat catch mice? Does the shop sell mangoes? Does the shop sell magazines? We use the do with I, you, we, they. Do I live in a city? Do you live in a city? Do we live in a city? Do they live in a city? Does he live in a city? Does she live in a city? Does it live in a city? In questions, don't use S. Does she live? Lives nahi aayega. Does Clara live in the big city? You don't. Again, once does or do is introduced in the sentence, the other verb is in the base form. It doesn't take an S. Okay. Now, after this, we come to the present continuous form. Now, present continuous matlab kya? It means that an action is going on at the time of speaking. It is happening now. It is happening at the moment. एक action चल रहा है. I am teaching you. You are listening to me right now. At the moment, I am explaining tenses. Something that is happening right now. We also use the present continuous tense for a temporary action which may not be happening at the time of speaking. For example, if I tell you that I'm reading David Copperfield. Now I'm not reading right now, but I'm reading the book. See, I've contradicted my own statement. The first time I told you, we use the present continuous tense for things happening right now, at this present moment. And immediately again I told you, the simple present tense is also used for a temporary action which may not actually be happening now at the time of speaking. अभी इसका एग्जाम्पल मैंने क्या दिया है? I am reading David Copperfield. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि अभी मैं किताब खोल के पढ़ रही हूँ. मतलब I generally read books और इस बार जो मैंने किताब उठाई है पढ़ने के लिए वो डेविड कॉपरफील्ड है. Understood? The meaning of the sentence is different. It means that now at present, the book that I am reading is David Copperfield. Got it? I can also use the present continuous tense for an action that has already been arranged to take place in the near future. Means when I'm deciding about the future, in the present, I am going to the cinema tomorrow. Or my uncle is arriving tomorrow. Arriving is arriving. I am going. अभी नहीं जा रही हूँ, but जाने वाली हूँ. मैंने एडवांस में प्लानिंग कर ली है. तो प्लानिंग करते वक्त भी I am using the present continuous tense.
My sister is busy cooking. She may call you later.
Yes, she is busy cooking. Correct, because right now she is cooking. Correct. Right. It's a nice try. Okay. We talk about the simple present tense for habitual actions, right? But if I tell you that something always happens, he keeps forgetting his keys over here. उसकी आदत है वो चाबियां भूलता है. तो जब मैं उसको आपको बोल रही हूँ कि he keeps forgetting मतलब continuous persistent habit है उसकी. वो एक persistent habit करता है हमेशा. That is why I am saying that he keeps forgetting his keys over here. Or my dog is very silly. He is always running around on the road. मतलब अभी नहीं भाग रहा है पर वो हमेशा भागता रहता है ऐसे ही. Got it? समझ में आ रहा है? Where all we use. See, one rule we all know. When to use continuous मतलब action चल रहा है. For example, if I'm teaching a second standard student tenses and I'm teaching the present continuous tense, तो मैं उसको क्या बोलती हूँ कि बेटा चल रहा है. तो आप क्या डालोगे? Present continuous tense. Correct? Right? But इसके अलावा भी we can use the present continuous tense. And that is why I told you, apart from an action going on at the time of speaking, we can also talk about temporary action that is not happening at the time of speaking, but at this moment it is going on. For example, I told you, I am reading David Copperfield, or at present I am busy completing the notes. So I have no time to go out shopping. अभी नहीं कर रही हूँ पर मेरे दिनचर्या में अभी एक इम्पोर्टेंट काम आ गया है नोट्स बनाने का, तो मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ. It's a temporary action that suddenly has come into my time schedule and because of which I am avoiding other things. And I also told you, if I want to talk about something that is already be arranged to take place in the near future, that time also I will use the present continuous tense. And lastly, I told you that a habitual action in the simple present can be used in the present continuous if it becomes persistent, if it is constant. ऐसा हमेशा ही होता है. Now here I want to tell you a very important thing, that we don't use certain verbs in the present continuous tense. कभी भी use नहीं करते. मतलब कौन से verbs कभी use नहीं करते? Verbs of perception. मतलब all those verbs that are connected to my senses. I see, I hear, I smell, I notice, I recognize. ये verbs कभी भी continuous form में नहीं होते. I cannot say I am smelling something. That is wrong English. I'm not smelling something. I can't smell anything. I smell something. How do I say it? I smell something, right? And if at all it is used, if it all comes in my use, it means something else. I cannot say hearing, smelling, noticing, recognizing. These words are not in the ing form. Verbs of appearing, for example, looking, appearing, seeing, seeming. इनको ing नहीं लगता है. Appear, look, seem. Verbs of emotion also. Want, wish, desire, feel, like, love. I'm loving you. Chi, you cannot be loving. I love you. How can I be loving you? I'm hating you. No, I can't hating you. I hate you. I'm hoping for the best. No, I hope for the best. Hoping, refusing, preferring, ऐसे words होते ही नहीं हैं. They're always want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hope, refuse, prefer. Then verbs of thinking. I'm thinking about you. No, I think about you. Supposing, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Suppose, believe, agree, consider, trust, remember, forget, know, understand, imagine, mean, mind. इनको ing नहीं लगता है. हाँ, some cases में लगता है, पर वहां उनका meaning अलग है. That time they are not verbs of perception or verbs of thinking or verbs of emotion or verbs of appearing. No, they are not. You're understanding? Under 5 categories, we never add. There are 5 categories where we normally do not use the present continuous tense. First category, verbs of perception. Second category, verbs of appearing. Third category, verbs of emotion. Fourth category, verbs of thinking. Verbs of having means possessing something, belonging something. हाँ, we can use the have form for the passive in the passive voice, not in the active voice. That means I want to say, I mean to say, these grapes are tasting sour is wrong. These grapes taste sour. I am thinking you are wrong. No, I think you are wrong. She is seeming sad. No, she seems sad. He is having a cell phone. No, he has a cell phone. Huh. But if I say that she is tasting the soup to see if it needs more salt, there it is correct. Why? She's testing the flavor. It is right. In that context, it is right. I am thinking of going to Malaysia. That means I am considering the idea of going to Malaysia. वहां मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ. I am thinking को मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ. कब? When I am considering the idea of going to Malaysia. They are having lunch. यूज कर सकती हूँ. या having का possessing नहीं है meaning. या having का meaning है eating. So they are having lunch. So if the meaning makes sense, means if the meaning is something different apart from perception, possession, thinking, emotion, appearing, then I can use them. Correct? Now present tense questions में कैसे use होता है? Am I working? Are you or we or they working? Is he, she, it working? We put a question word at the beginning. What are you doing? I'm writing an email. Where is Sarah going? She's going to the store. Who are they talking to? They talking to. Who are they talking to? They are talking to the teacher. Why is he running? He running because he's late for work. So you can put a question word at the beginning. Now see, we have questions of two types. We have the real questions and we have the rhetorical or the yes or no questions. You'll all know, I think you'll know about this, that there are many types of questions, but basically we consider these two types of questions, that are the real questions and the rhetorical or the yes no type questions. तो real questions में what, where, who, why आता है starting of the word में, और अगर yes no type question है तो auxiliary verb, helping verb is am are starting में आएगा. Correct? Now this is where the challenging part comes, because in all the competitive exams there are two blanks given in one sentence, and you should be able to judge कि present simple है कि present continuous tense है, right? So we know what is simple present tense used for. We know the simple present tense is used for actions that generally happen, regularly happen, they are facts, usually ऐसा ही होता है, right? Okay. तो present continuous कभी use होता है? Present continuous tense use होता है जब, just 1 minute. Present tense, can you all hear me? Yeah. Present continuous कभी use होता है? When the action is happening at the time of speaking. Correct? तो ये दोनों का we know that there is a basic difference. कि one is usually ऐसे ही होता है, fact है, ऐसा ही होना है, और दूसरे वाला है action अभी चल रहा है. But how do I in a question, how do I understand which one को डालना है? So always a clue is given. तो clues क्या हैं? Present tense के clues होंगे now, just now, right now, at the moment, at this moment, these days, this year, this month, this week. अगर ये clues है तो वो continuous tense में है, और अगर simple present tense में है every day, every week, every month, every year, every morning, every afternoon, in the afternoon, at night, on Monday, on Friday, then we have that rare, never, rarely, sometimes, often, usually, always. These words give me a clue. See, वो नीचे भी लिखे हुए. With present simple you use always, usually, sometimes, often, never, every day, every night, every Monday, every summer, every year. And with present continuous, you use now, right now, at the moment, currently, this week, this month, this year, today, just now. Now, the difference, I work from 9 to 5 p.m. every day. So that is a fact, a habit, a habitual action or a fact. I am currently working on a new project, continuous tense. Mark studies English every Tuesday night. Mark is studying the present continuous this week. We usually go to Europe in summer, simple present tense, usually go. Right now, we are going, right now, aa gaya. Every sentence will give you a clue. They always talk, always is the clue. They are talking to him now. Now is the clue. Does it usually rain? Usually is the clue for simple present tense. No, but it's raining at the moment. At the moment is the clue for present continuous tense. So if you have to fill in the blanks, where two blanks are there, one could be the simple present and the other could be the present continuous. You have to look for clues. And what are the clues? With the present simple, you will use always, of always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, and all that. And with present continuous, now, right now, at the moment, currently, this week, this month, this year, today. Now, future with going to, right? I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not. These are all the negative forms. I am not going to take a test tomorrow. Now I am talking about it in the present. कि future में ऐसे करने वाली हूँ. So I am using the going to form for the future in the present. I am not going to take a test. That is the continuous form. I am not going to take a test tomorrow. Am going to. You are not going to take a test tomorrow. Got it? He is not going to take a test tomorrow. So, in other words, I can say that we can use the future, the present continuous to talk about the future also. Am I going to take a test tomorrow? Are you going to take a test tomorrow? The question form. Don't forget, am is are. I am going to buy some new shoes. See, I am going to buy, infinitive, some new shoes next week. She is not going to watch TV, to watch, infinitive. They are going to get married in June. They are going to get married. So the formula is what? Helping verb plus main verb plus ing plus infinitive with the to. Correct? So we use the present continuous tense with going to talk about the future. Now present continuous negative. I am not listening. You, we, they are not listening. He, she, it is not listening. There are two ways to use the contraction. She is not. See, she is not wearing a hat today. So she is contract हुआ है. And she isn't wearing a hat today. May is not contract हुआ है. You are not wearing your. So you are is contracted. And you aren't wearing a hat. You aren't listening to the teacher. Are not contract हुआ है. Both the forms are okay. Right? Again, I did this. Now we come to the present future. Just give me 1 second. We have till now, whatever I have explained, is it making sense? Have you all understood what is going on? Have you understood what I am trying to tell you? How? Tell me about the simple present. मैंने क्या क्या बताया simple present tense नीचे फटाफट बोलते. Tell me. Just tell you one thing. Supposing एक sentence में simple present भी है और simple continuous भी डालना है. कैसे डालोगे? अलग अलग कैसे करोगे? Tell me. अगर एक सेंटेंस में दोनों डालने हैं कैसे डालोगे? अरे अभी हमने सीखा है. Tell me. if a sentence has two blanks and at one place you have to put simple present tense and in the other you have to put continuous tense, how are you going to identify कौन सा कहाँ डालना है? बोलो.
What
I can't hear you, beta.
देख के word देख के
Just 1 minute. I will increase the volume. Can you be a little bit loud? That is why I can't hear. Okay. Yeah, chalega beta. Tell me please.
see the chat.
See the chat. Okay. No, but the chat is not opening. Wait. Okay, I usually go to the temple. Yeah, this is simple present tense. No, Rutuja is saying this. Hello, you tell me. You verbally tell me. Chalo. A sentence is having two blanks. One blank में continuous डालना है, one blank में simple present डालना है. कैसे डालेंगे?
मैम वर्ब देख के डालेंगे वर्ब.
वर्ब देख के कि क्लू देख के?
Clue.
क्लू
Clue
देख के.
देख के,
कौन से
clue
क्लूज
देख के.
डालेंगे? कौन से क्लूज देखेंगे? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के कौन से क्लूज है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के क्लूज कौन से हैं?
Always.
Always, very good. See, we'll give stars for all, because adverbs of time for the simple present tense को understand how you understand. Never means 0 stars. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. ठीक है? Never means ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता है. Correct? उसके बाद अगर एक बार होता है कभी भी तो it is rarely. Rarely कभी होता है. That is 1 star. ठीक है? If I give 2 stars, it is sometimes. If I give 3 stars, it is often. If it is 4 stars, it is usually. And if it is 5 stars, it is always. So if I want to tell you that every day I go to the library, so I will say I always go to the library. अगर मैं हफ्ते में 4 दिन जाती हूँ, 5 में से 4 दिन जाती हूँ, I usually go to the library. अगर मैं हफ्ते में 3 दिन जाती हूँ लाइब्रेरी, तो मैं बोलूंगी I often go to the library. अगर मैं हफ्ते में 2 दिन जाती हूँ लाइब्रेरी, तो मैं बोलूंगी I sometimes go. और अगर मैं एक ही बार जाती हूँ, I rarely go to the library. और अगर मैं जाती ही नहीं हूँ, then I will say I never go. You have to know the difference between all these 6 words. Remember, never means 0 stars, rarely is 1 star, sometimes is 2, often is 3, usually is 4, and always is 5 full stars. Got it? This is one difference, one clue for the simple present tense. Apart from this, another clue is every day, every night, every morning, every day, every month, in the afternoon, in the evening, at noon, at night. और present continuous के लिए simple, now, just now, right now, at this moment, these days, this year, this month, this week. All this is for continuous. तो simple present हो गया, present continuous हो गया, अभी हम लोग present perfect पे आ गए. ये होता क्या है present perfect? Simple present समझ में आता है. जो घटना रोज ही होती है, ऐसी ही होती है, ऐसा ही होता है हमेशा. Present perfect क्या हुआ? बोलो बेटा.
मैम यूजुअली के जगह पे अपन ऑफन यूज नहीं कर सकते क्या?
यूजुअली की जगह पे ऑफन कैसे कर सकते हैं?
यूजुअल के जगह पे ऑफन यूज नहीं कर. I often go to the library.
You often go to the library. कभी आप कितनी बार जाते हो लाइब्रेरी? बताओ मुझे. 3 बार.
4 बार हफ्ते में.
अगर आप 4 बार जाते हो तो आप यूजुअली जाते हो.
नहीं 3 बार गए तो
ऑफन.
मैम पर इससे डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करने का मतलब?
इसलिए तो मैंने आपको इजी वे किया है डिफरेंशिएट. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड है, आप सीख लो इसको. कि अगर मैं सपोजिंग आउट ऑफ 5 टाइम्स या एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन में से या 5 दिन पकड़ लो, 5 दिन में से 1 दिन जाती हूँ, तो मैं रेयरली जाती हूँ. अगर 2 दिन जाती हूँ समटाइम्स जाती हूँ, अगर 3 दिन जाती हूँ तो ऑफन, 4 बार जाती हूँ यूजुअली, रोज जाती हूँ 5 दिन में से 5 दिन ऑलवेज. That is why we give this method of I give this method of stars to children. No star, never. 1 star, rarely. 2 stars, sometimes. 3 stars, often. See the frequency of the event. But the number of stars means कितनी बार वो frequent action होता है. Got it? And you must know the difference between all these. We often don't know the difference of this. So I explained it to you how it is. Correct? तो हमने सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस किया, हमने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस किया, अब ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट क्या है यार, ये बताओ, ये होता क्या है?
Complete
ये क्या
activity.
सॉरी,
Completed activity.
कंप्लीटेड एक्टिविटी. कंप्लीटेड मतलब कैसे? कंप्लीटेड इन द पास्ट. देखो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस की, पर एक घटना पास्ट में हुई है जिसका असर प्रेजेंट में भी नजर आ रहा है, उसको बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का मतलब क्या है? व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट अ टाइम पीरियड दैट हैज फिनिश्ड, दैट हैज नॉट फिनिश्ड, बट उसका नॉट फिनिश्ड इन द सेंस हाउ, उसका असर नहीं खत्म हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई सिंपली टेल यू, लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. इफ आई टेल यू नाउ द एग्जाम्पल ओवर हियर, हैव यू बीन टू इटली? यस, आई हैव बीन 3 times. देयर 3 times. अब यहां पर हमने हैव बीन क्यों लिखा? हैव बीन क्यों लिखा? मतलब स्टार्टिंग से लेके अभी तक तुम जाके आ गए हो क्या? जाके आ गए हो क्या? An action that is happening in the past and 1 minute, huh? The slides. Oh my God. Okay, look at this. See the present perfect tense. The slide is visible on the screen. ठीक है?
Yes.
We use the present tense, present perfect tense, to talk about a general experience in the past. Right? Now there is a past, there's a timeline given. Past है, present है, future है. I've seen the new Mission Impossible. मतलब अभी नहीं देखा है मैंने, प्रेजेंट में नहीं देखा है, पर पास्ट में देखा है. पर उस घटना की बात मैं कभी कर रही हूँ प्रेजेंट में, वो पास्ट में नहीं है. The action is somewhere between the past and the present. You're understanding what I'm telling you? How do I, on a timeline,
Yes.
how do I fix this present perfect tense? There's a past tense, there's a
Yes,
present
ma'am.
tense and the future tense. प्रेजेंट के बहुत क्लोज में जो एक्शन हुआ है, जिसकी घटना की आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट राइट नाउ. आई हैव सीन द न्यू मिशन इम्पॉसिबल. देयर इज एन अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम. वी यूज द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट फॉर अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम. इट इज नॉट इन द प्रेजेंट, but it is not in the past also. It is an unspecified time between the
Ma'am,
past
it can,
and the present.
ma'am, it can be in continuous tense.
Present perfect continuous tense भी होता है ना, इसके बाद सीखेंगे. राइट?
नहीं मैम, continuous tense में रह सकता है क्या वो? मतलब
रह सकता है ना, मतलब प्रेजेंट
रह सकता है
परफेक्ट
ना,
कंटिन्यूअस
मतलब
टेंस आएगा ना, इसके बाद आएगा. वी विल डिस्कस दैट आल्सो. वी हैव ना मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल,
हाँ,
जिसमें
okay.
प्रेजेंट भी है, परफेक्ट भी है,
Okay,
कंटिन्यूअस भी है, आएगा. सिंपल प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस अंडरस्टैंड नहीं होता है कि ये क्या है, तो मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ. हम प्रेजेंट में बात कर रहे हैं,
मैम,
पर वो पास्ट
पर
भी नहीं
आपने
है.
बोला कि पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के बीच में, इसलिए मेरे को लगा आप वो बोल रहे कंटिन्यूअस.
नहीं नहीं, है, कंटिन्यूअस नहीं है. एक घटना
Okay, okay.
है जो प्रेजेंट में भी नहीं हुई है और पास्ट भी नहीं बोल सकते उसको, वो बीच
Okay,
में
okay.
लटक रही है अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम में.
Okay.
करेक्ट? राइट? हाँ, अगर मुझे
Yes.
बोलना है कि इमीडिएट पास्ट जहां घटना स्पेसिफाइड टाइम में हुई है, तो मैं वहां जस्ट यूज करूंगी. इट हैज जस्ट स्ट्रक 10. ये भी सिंपल परफेक्ट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस ही है. इट हैज जस्ट स्ट्रक 10. पर
मैम,
यहाँ पर
जस्ट तो
एक
पास्ट हो जाता है ना.
it has just is a adverb ना, पास्ट नहीं होता है, स्ट्रक पास्ट है, STRUCK
Okay,
स्ट्रक
हाँ।
पास्ट है, पास्ट टेंस है।
हाँ।
अभी यहाँ पर हम लोग एक वर्ड पास्ट टेंस का क्यों यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के बीच में लटक रहा है। हाउ डू आई फॉर्म द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस? द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज formed by using the has plus has or have plus verb plus ing, sorry, plus verb in the verb participle, sorry। the present perfect कैसे होता है फॉर्म? has have होगा और verb 3 होगा, past participle। अभी हमने वो verbs के कॉलम्स किए। फर्स्ट वाला
Okay.
infinitive मतलब सिंपल बेस फॉर्म, सेकंड वाला पास्ट टेंस और एक थर्ड वाला है पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, राइट। तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या
हाँ,
है? हैज हैव प्लस पीपी। तो ये हैज हैव क्यों है? क्योंकि वो प्रेजेंट में भी कहाँ है, और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल क्यों है? क्योंकि वो पास्ट में भी किधर है, दोनों के बीच में लटक रहा है, एक अनस्पेसिफाइड
हाँ,
टाइम।
बराबर।
इसीलिए उसका फॉर्मूला ऐसा है, हैज हैव प्लस पीपी। गॉट इट? सो व्हेन डू वी यूज द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट? when do we use the present perfect? To describe actions or events beginning in the past and continuing up to the present moment।
प्रेजेंट
अभी
मोमेंट,
ये
बराबर।
प्रेजेंट मोमेंट बताने के लिए मुझे वापस एडवर्ब फ्रेज यूज करना पड़ेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे क्या बोलना पड़ेगा?
हाँ,
आई हैव
बराबर।
रेड 50 पेजेस सो फार। सो फार, जब मैं सो फार बोलती हूँ मतलब अभी तलक, क्योंकि मैंने आपको शुरू में क्या समझाया है कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट मतलब अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम, पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के बीच में लटकता हुआ अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम। पर मैं इसको एक्शन को बिगिनिंग इन द पास्ट एंड कंटिन्यूइंग अप टू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट भी बोल सकती हूँ, अगर मैं वहां पे एक एडवर्ब फ्रेज लगा दूं। सो आई हैव रेड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है, 50 पेजेस सो फार, ये सो फार लगाने का मतलब है अभी तलक। डू यू गेट इट? हैव यू एवर सीन अ ज़ेब्रा, मतलब हैव और सीन मेरा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है, पर एवर की वजह से मैं ये बता रही हूं कि अभी तलक आपने देखा है क्या कभी? आई हैव नेवर सीन अ कोबरा बिफोर। आई हैव सीन इज द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पर नेवर और बिफोर एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस है जो मुझे बताते हैं पास्ट से लेके अभी तलक। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस कई तरीके से यूज होता है, उसका मतलब ये है लटकने वाला टाइम, जिसका अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम है, जिस टाइम के बारे में हमारे पास क्लियर परसेप्शन नहीं है कि घटना कभी हुई। राइट? सिंपल सी बात है, मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, अगर आप यहाँ बैठे हुए और ओके, आई गिव दिस एग्जांपल इन द पास्ट टेंस, नॉट नाउ। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट समझो, द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टाइम, the present perfect tense expresses a past action the results of which still continue। यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताती हूँ, सपोजिंग आप अभी यहाँ बैठे हो और आपको कुछ गिरने की आवाज किचन में आई है, करेक्ट? आप क्या बोलोगे?
I heard something in the kitchen.
What fell in the kitchen? Correct?
I heard something fall in the kitchen.
Something dropped in the kitchen, something fell in the kitchen, right? Right?
बराबर।
Something fell मतलब मैंने past tense यूज किया, क्यों? घटना घटी है वहां पे,
हाँ, बराबर।
और आपने बोल दिया है घट गई ना घटना, राइट?
हाँ,
अगर
yes।
आप अभी यहाँ बैठे हुए, अभी क्लास खत्म होने के बाद आप किचन में उठ के गए हो और वहां पर नीचे चाय गिरी हुई है, या आपने देखा कि कुछ गिरा हुआ है, किसने दूध गिराया हुआ है, पर अभी आपको नहीं मालूम वो दूध कभी गिरा, क्योंकि आप जब पहुंचे तो वो गिरा हुआ था।
हाँ, बराबर। पूछ दोगे?
अभी नहीं गिरा है, अभी नहीं गिरा है
मैम।
ना, आप जब गए तो वो गिरा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोजिंग गिरा भी छोड़ दो, घंटी बजी, टिंग टोंग,
हाँ,
हाँ, ओपन द डोर,
यस।
और कुछ दरवाजा खुल गया, सपोजिंग घंटी बजी, दरवाजा खुला, हु केम? करेक्ट ना, कोई अंदर आया है ना, हु केम? राइट, हु इज इट एट द डोर, कौन आया अंदर,
हाँ ये
राइट, करेक्ट। मैं ऐसे बोलती हूँ ना, हु केम, कौन आया, राइट।
yes,
अगर आप
yes.
पूरी क्लास करने के बाद वहां जाते हो और देखते हो दरवाजा खुला है, अभी नहीं खुला है, पहले से ही खुला है,
हाँ
तो किसने पहले खुला छोड़ा है, पर आपको नहीं मालूम किसने छोड़ा है, और आपने वो खुला खुलते हुए नहीं देखा है, आपको खुला दरवाजा दिखा है, तो हु हैज ओपन द डोर।
बराबर
अभी सेंटेंस क्या है, हु हैज ओपन द डोर, हु
ओके
हैज ओपन द डोर। दरवाजा खुला है, पर आपने उसको खुलते नहीं देखा, वो कब खुला वो नहीं मालूम। तभी वहां पर मैं क्या बोलूंगी, मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ कि हु ओपन द डोर, नहीं, हु हैज ओपन द डोर, बिकॉज घटना पास्ट में एक टाइम
Past
पे हुई है,
perfect.
अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम पे। इज एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग? What's the difference between the simple past and the past present perfect tense?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Correct? बोलो बेटा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेल यू आई मेड नोट्स,
आपने अभी एग्जाम
हाँ बोलो बच्चा।
अभी आपने एग्जाम्पल
Your voice is cracking dear. Hello.
हेलो
Yes, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
मैम that milk example I didn't understand.
सुनना, something, a glass falls, you're sitting here, a glass falls, something has fallen, right? So what you're saying, that what fell,
Glass fell.
what fell, आपको लग रहा है ग्लास है, कुछ गिरा, what fell,
What
है?
fell बराबर.
right? तो
Fall
अभी
की
अभी
जगह पे
गिरा
fell
है,
use
गिर
करना है.
घटना हो गई ना गिर के, तो आपने
हाँ.
फेल बोला, आपने फेल
बराबर.
बोला,
बराबर.
राइट?
हाँ बराबर.
अभी आपकी क्लास खत्म हो जाती है, आपको आवाज नहीं आई, कुछ नहीं हुआ, you're just sitting here and you're attending the class, and after the class gets over you get up and you walk into the kitchen and you see the milk has spilled, milk गिरा हुआ है नीचे, ठीक है? कब गिरा आपको नहीं मालूम, किसने गिराया आपको नहीं मालूम, किसना छोड़ दो, व्हाट डू वी वांट टू डू विद किसने, कब गिरा आई डोंट नो, पर गिरा हुआ है। जब आपने किचन में गए तब वो गिरा हुआ था, वो कब गिरा वो नहीं मालूम,
मतलब
घटना घट चुकी थी, घटना घट चुकी थी, तो अभी मैं उसको नहीं बोल सकती, अभी ऐसे नहीं बोल सकती हु स्पिल्ड द मिल्क, मतलब
बराबर.
अभी मैं यहाँ पर क्या बोलूंगी, हाउ हैज, नहीं, हु हैज स्पिल्ड द मिल्क, हु हैज स्पिल्ड द मिल्क,
Who has spilled the milk?
यस,
How has
हाउ
the
नहीं,
milk?
ओके, हाउ हैज द मिल्क स्पिल्ड, वो भी हो सकता है, बट मेरा मतलब क्या है, अभी जो मैं टेंस यूज करूंगी वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट होगा, क्योंकि प्रेजेंट मतलब कल कल की बात नहीं कर रहे, अभी की बात कर रहे हैं ना, आज की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो प्रेजेंट हुआ। पर प्रेजेंट भी इतना कि मतलब घटना कब घटी आपको नहीं मालूम, पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के बीच में लटक रहा है टाइम, तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट,
बराबर. समझा.
दैट इज व्हाई, समझा? अभी आपको कब हो रहा है वो नहीं मालूम, पर हुआ है, अभी ही हुआ है, तो एक अनसर्टेन टाइम है, ठीक है? टू टॉक अबाउट अ टाइम पीरियड दैट इज नॉट फिनिश्ड, आई हैव रिटन अ रफ प्लान दिस मॉर्निंग, मतलब अभी स्टिल मॉर्निंग ही है, पर मैंने लिख के हो गया है ना, मैंने खत्म कर दिया है, मतलब सुबह खत्म नहीं हुई, टाइम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, पर मैंने काम किया है, आई हैव रिटन अ रफ प्लान दिस मॉर्निंग। तो अगर मैं मॉर्निंग का पूरा टाइमलाइन बनाऊं, अगर मैं मॉर्निंग का पूरा टाइमलाइन बनाऊं, मतलब 11:59 तक टाइमलाइन बनाऊं, और अभी मैं 11 बजे खड़ी हूं, तो सुबह से लेके अभी तक कोई भी टाइम पे मैंने नोट्स बनाए हैं, पर सुबह खत्म नहीं हुई है, इसलिए मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, आई हैव रिटन अ रफ प्लान दिस मॉर्निंग, तभी भी मैं यूज कर रही हूँ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, करेक्ट?
Yes, okay.
Okay. To show that something happened at some time in the past before now, जो हमें अभी किया, right? करेक्ट, एनी टाइम बिफोर नाउ, अभी से कुछ टाइम पहले, एनी टाइम, वो टाइम क्या है, आई डोंट नो,
Okay.
राइट. द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एक्सप्रेसेस द पास्ट टाइम, द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ विच स्टिल कंटिन्यू. मैं यहाँ ऐसे बोल सकती हूँ, आई हैव नोन हिम फॉर 10 years, मतलब अभी भी मैं उसको जानती हूँ, पर मैं कब से जानती हूँ, 10 सालों से उसको जानती हूँ.
Ah,
I
okay.
have known him for 10 years. It implies that I still know him. If I tell you we haven't seen each other for weeks now, मतलब हफ्ते गुजर गए हैं, अब तक हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को नहीं देखा, अभी भी नहीं देखा है. अभी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट
Okay.
टेंस सिंस और फॉर के साथ में यूज
चालू है
होता है.
मतलब वो.
हाँ, वो घटना चल रही है. ऐसा हो सकता है ना, हमने
हाँ बराबर.
अभी तक नहीं देखा है, तो अभी तक मतलब चालू है. Correct. We use the
बराबर.
present perfect tense to talk about with the since and past, since and for. So to talk about present situation which started in the past, हम लोग for और since use करते हैं. अभी देखो, 2 weeks का टाइम लेते हैं, ठीक है, और अभी past 2 weeks से लेके अब तक, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ I have worked really hard for the last 2 weeks, तो मैं एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ.
मैम
यस,
एक बार
आपको
रिपीट
समझ में
करो
नहीं
ना
आ रहा है,
प्लीज.
ठीक है, मैं स्लाइड निकालती हूँ उसकी. There's a slide for 1 minute.
हाँ मैम आ गया. बराबर है ये.
यस, सी दिस प्रेजेंट, दिस आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन यू, पर वो पीछे से वापस आती हूँ आके. कहाँ गया वो स्लाइड?
ओके.
See here, I'll explain some, then go back. Use the present perfect to talk about an action that started in the past and continues to the present. I've lived in Brazil for 3 years. मतलब past में 3 साल से लेके अभी तक मैं ब्राजील में रह रही हूँ. तो पहले एक्शन हुआ है और अभी तक मैं रह रही हूँ. That is why I have used present perfect tense for unfinished time. घटना खत्म नहीं हुई है, अब तक चल रही है. Got it? I got my slides. 1 minute. Bye. Here it is. Now let's understand this properly. Present perfect. I have, we've done this. Have you ever taken dance classes? Yes, I have. I took 6 weeks of lessons before my wedding last year. Wow. So did you dance well on the big day? No, I didn't. I forgot everything I had learned in the classes and I stepped on my wife's feet many times. Oh no. Was she angry? No. She said she still loved me. Yahan par again a conversation that is talking very specific, where questions have been asked in the present perfect. Have you ever taken dance classes? मतलब पास से लेके अब तक की बात चल रही है. Got it? How it has been used? Question में auxiliary verb पहले आएगा, PP बाद में आएगा. Right? Let's go here. Travel. I have traveled to 15 countries in my life. She hasn't watched the movie yet. Hasn't watched. We have passed our English test. Have you tried? Have you tried? Have plus PP. Now this past participle I am talking about. This past participle is used with what has come here? Somebody has written a message or something? Isn't everybody being able to see what is being shared on the screen?
Ma'am, screen gets hang in middle.
Is everyone able to see what I am showing you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is
Okay.
visible, but it gets hanged sometime.
Okay, I'll make sure it doesn't happen. Now we use the present perfect with yet, already, and just. Words already, yet, recently, lately, and just all refer to a recent and non-specific time. See, again, the word is coming non-specific time. A specific time would be yesterday, 3 hours ago, last Friday. Yes, specific times. But unspecific is, I don't know. Something has happened in the present, but when, I don't know. So which words do we use? Yet, already, just. Already can be used in positive statements and questions. I have already read today's newspaper. मतलब यहाँ पर ये नहीं बोला गया कि कब पढ़ा, पर मैंने पढ़ लिया है. Have you already paid the electric bill? भर दिया. Have you paid? अभी नहीं पे किया है, पर पे किया है ना. She's finished the test already. Test हो गया है. अभी हुआ है क्या? नहीं, पर हो गया है. Means there is an unspecified time. Already can go in between have, has, and the past participle, or at the end of the sentence. So already is used for positive statement. Yet is being used in the negative statement and question. We haven't cleaned the house yet. Has he told you the good news yet? Have they booked their tickets yet? Yet usually goes at the end of the sentence or phrase. We can use recently, lately, just. ये वाले words भी use होते हैं. Recently and lately are used in positive statements, negative statements, and questions. He has recently lost some weight. मतलब he has lost weight. और recently मतलब time नहीं मालूम कब, पर he has lost. I haven't seen her recently. Have you spoken to Beth recently? Lately, I've got a lot of scam emails lately. Adam and Jessica haven't been to church lately. Have you seen any good movies lately? See, simple, I have understood, and what I'm trying to tell you is that present perfect tense talks about a recent and non-specific time. क्योंकि वो recent है, वो present है, और वो non-specific time है. Yes, बेटा.
Ma'am, lately means recently, no?
हाँ, अभी.
Lately यानी recently ना?
Latest. आप लोग बोलते ना latest album कौन सी है?
Okay.
Latest मतलब क्या? अभी. नवी अभी क्या निकली है? Recently. ठीक है? जो मुझे सवाल पूछा तो बताओ ना, ठीक है क्या नहीं? ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम.
अभी. Just भी यूज होता है. Just is typically used in positive statements and questions. Don't touch the walls. I just painted them. They are still wet. Just again बता रहा है एक एक्शन जो घटना हुई है और उसका असर अभी भी है. Something has been in progress, मतलब कुछ हुआ है और उसका अभी भी घटना का असर है. मतलब हमने पेंटिंग की है और वो दीवारें अभी भी गीली हैं, अभी भी गीली है. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you is action is happening in the past and उसका असर अभी भी है. What book have you just finished reading? मतलब उसका रीडिंग हो गया है, बुक खत्म हो गई है, but in the recent past we're talking about it. That is why it is just, very recent. Just means very recent. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Now we come to the simple past. Before I go to the simple past, again I am repeating, the present perfect tense is used to talk about a time period that has not finished. मतलब I have written a rough plan this morning. सुबह खत्म नहीं हुई है, पर मेरा लिख के खत्म हो गया है. To show that something happened at some time in the past before now. We don't state when it happened. If we state something when, अगर मैं बता दूं तुमको कि वो कभी घटना हुई है तो वो past tense हो जाएगा ना. Why again they are going on saying unspecified time? Because if the time is specified in the past, it is a past tense. Got it? Now using present perfect tense for with for and since. I was explaining to you all that when to use for and when to use since. Here, present perfect plus for and since. The present perfect tense is used with for and since to talk about actions that began in the past and continue to the present. I've lived here since 2004. मतलब मैं 2004 से रह रहा हूँ और अभी भी रह रहा हूँ. I've lived here for 8 years. 8 साल से 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल 5 साल 8 साल से रह रहा हूँ और अभी भी रह रहा हूँ. फिर फर्क क्या है फॉर और सिंस में? अगर दोनों ही मुझे ये बताते हैं actions that began in the past and continue to the present, then what is the difference? Since is used with a point in time. मतलब जब स्पेसिफिक टाइम की बात चल रही है, एक स्पेसिफिक डेट की बात चल रही है, since 2011, since January, since Tuesday, since 6:15, since this morning, तब मैं since यूज कर रही हूँ. Since I was a child, since he graduated from college. जब मैं एक स्पेसिफाइड टाइम, पॉइंट इन टाइम स्पेसिफाई कर रही हूँ मेरा टाइम, तो मैं सिंस लगा रही हूँ. एस फॉर स्पेसिफाई, एस फॉर सिंस, याद रखना. पर अगर मैं टाइम पीरियड की बात कर रही हूँ, 2 घंटे 4 घंटे 2 महीने 5 महीने 10 साल 1 डेकेड, तब मैं एक पीरियड की बात कर रही हूँ. अगर एक पीरियड की बात कर रही हूँ, टाइम पीरियड की बात कर रही हूँ, देन आई एम गोइंग टू यूज फॉर. For is used with a time period and means for that period of time until the present. Got it? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज ये आता ही आता है for और since का. पर since मतलब स्पेसिफिक. जब मैं एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम दे देती हूँ 2011 से, जनवरी से, मंडे से 6 बजे से, तब मैं since यूज करूंगी. पर अगर मैं एक पीरियड की बात कर रही हूँ, इतने घंटों के लिए, इतने टाइम के लिए, इतने दिनों के लिए, then I will use for. So for is for time period and since is for a specific time. Correct? Right? ये समझ में आया है आपको? Present perfect with ever and never. Use the present perfect plus ever to ask questions about experiences in someone's life. Have you ever taken dance classes? Has your brother ever been to India? ये क्या है? ये adverbial phrases है. Again, ये क्या specify कर रहे हैं? Something that took place, events that have taken place, events take place up to the present. पहले हो गए हैं, पर अब तक हम उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Correct? Okay. So these slides are done. ताकि आई कैन कम टू द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। यहां पर आ जाओ, वी आर हैविंग द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। 3 टेंस मिलाए हैं, प्रेजेंट भी होगा, परफेक्ट भी होगा और कंटिन्यूअस भी होगा, इसीलिए वो सारे सेंटेंस में नजर आएंगे। सब्जेक्ट आई है, हैव है, बीन है, वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी है। यह तो कंटिन्यूअस होगा तो वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी होगा, परफेक्ट होगा तो पीपी होगा, और प्रेजेंट होगा तो हैज हैव होगा। करेक्ट? अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल टुगेदर। I have been working here since 1992. He hasn't been sleeping well lately. Question कैसे होगा? How long have you been studying English? Have been studying. Have, present, been, perfect, verb plus ing, continuous. How long has she been playing tennis? Has, present, been, perfect, verb plus ing, continuous. In some cases, either the present perfect simple or the present perfect continuous can be used with the same meaning. We often do this with verbs like work and live. I worked here since 1992. मैं ऐसे भी बोल सकती हूँ, I have been working here since 1992. However, we often use the present perfect continuous to emphasize the action and the present perfect simple to emphasize the result. You have to remember this. We use the present perfect continuous to emphasize the action and the present perfect simple to emphasize the result. Example देखो नीचे, I've been working on this report for 3 years. मतलब action of working को emphasize हो रहा है. Have been working. I've finished the project. Emphasize that the project is done. Result के ऊपर बात हो रही है. तो अगर present perfect है तो result. अगर present perfect continuous है तो emphasis on the action. We have been cleaning the house all afternoon. The emphasis is on the action of cleaning. Got the difference between the two? दोनों भी यूज हो सकते हैं, बट अगर मुझे
Yes,
emphasize
ma'am.
करना है action पे, if I want to emphasize the action, present perfect continuous tense. If I want to emphasize on the result, it is only present perfect tense. Okay? Present perfect V form means I have been to Paris. We have been to Paris. You have been to Paris. Here again, what you have to understand, where you have to use have and be, have and I have, you have, we have, they have, plus being. He, she, it has,
Ma'am,
plus being. क्या हुआ बेटा?
ma'am, screen became black.
स्क्रीन दिख रही है? All this I have finished with you, huh? Now we come to the, see now, is it okay now, Atharva?
नहीं मैम, मैं rejoin.
Is it right now okay? See, now we have come to the past simple past tense. We have come to the simple past tense. Okay? Simple past tense kabhi use hoga? Tell me. When do I use the simple past tense? When do I use the simple past tense?
Action completed in the past at definite
Correct.
time.
Right. To talk about a single action completed in the past. A single action, single past completed action. Condition क्या है? Single है, past है और action complete हो चुका है. The time is often mentioned. ये याद रखना, simple past tense में we talk about a single past completed action often when the time is mentioned. ठीक है, ये एक है. When I can say a few weeks ago, a woman called to report a robbery at her house. तो यहाँ पर मैंने टाइम भी मेंशन किया है, a few weeks ago. Ago आ गया, the word ago, ago, specifies it as the simple past tense, and called is the PP form, the past tense form of the second verb to. The past tense of the verb call, regular verb, ed लग रहा है. Correct? So I was born, he was born, she was born in 1982, you were born, they were born, we were born in 1982. Negative में क्या होगा? I was not or wasn't born in Europe, he was not or wasn't born in Europe, or she was not or she wasn't born in Europe, you were born in Europe, you weren't. See, this is the to be. To be मतलब was और were को लग के. Here in this we are not having the regular verbs. Simple past to be form. To be form is what? Was or were. तो was किसको लगेगा? I, he, she, it को was लगेगा. Singular subject को was लगेगा. Were किसको लगेगा? Plural subject को लगेगा. You को लगेगा. We को लगेगा. They को लगेगा. Correct? Negative sentence में wasn't हो जाएगा. Singular subject I, he, she, it को. और weren't हो जाएगा you, we, they को और plural subject को. Questions में auxiliary be form of the verb, auxiliary verb पहले आ जाएगा. Was I a famous artist? Was he a famous artist? What was she a famous artist? And if it is plural, were. Correct? So this is the be form of the simple past tense. Now common words to use to talk about the past: yesterday, last Sunday, last week, last month, last November, last year, 1 hour ago, 5 days ago, 3 months ago, 10 years ago, when I was a child, when we were in college. All these words indicate the past tense. Ago especially, ये close है आपके, yesterday. But most important point that you have to remember over here is the time is mentioned. It is a specified time. एक time की बात हो रही है. अभी regular verbs पे आ जाते हैं. Regular verbs in the past. Regular verbs in the past कौन से हैं? Verb plus ed. Regular verbs. I worked yesterday. You worked yesterday. और singular subject worked. तो भी worked ही लगेगा. I worked. You worked. They worked. It worked. The boys worked. The girl worked. Correct? Negative में I didn't work. You didn't work. He didn't work. She didn't work. सब worked ही रहेगा. Did I work yesterday? Did he work yesterday? Did they work yesterday? वो work. अभी वापस again remember what I told you. If did is introduced, do is introduced, does is introduced, the verb is in the base form. Work. यहाँ पे वो ed नहीं हुआ, वो work ही रहा. Because now the main verb is the did, जिसने past tense ले लिया है. Did shows me the past tense. Didn't shows me the past tense. In a positive sentence, worked shows me the past tense. Got it? Listen becomes listened, ed add हो गया. Play becomes played, ed add हो गया. Like को सिर्फ d लगा है. Stop, stopped बन गया by vowel plus consonant. Add the double the consonant, add ed. ये rules है. How to form simple past for regular verbs. Add ed. If there's only e, if there's e, add only d. If the verb is ending with vowel, a consonant and there's a vowel before it, double the consonant, add ed. If the verb is ending with y, remove the y, add ied. Got it? So these are the irregular verbs. Now past simple irregular. Irregular मतलब वो ed नहीं लग रहा, वो word completely बदल जाता है. For example, can बन गया could, eat बन गया ate, get बन गया got, go बन गया went, have is had, leave is left, make is made, meet is met, say is said, see is saw, take is took, think is thought, understand is understood, Where is wore? Write is wrote. The verb completely changes. That is why it is irregular verb. Now we simple past tense. कहाँ use होता है उसको discuss करते हैं. So I told you we use a simple past tense when I talk about a single action single completed action and the time is mentioned. I can also use the simple past tense to talk about a series of actions in the order that they have happened. A series of actions in the order that they have happened. For example, the sentence would be, the burglar came in through the front door, picked up the woman's handbag, emptied it out and stole her purse. मतलब इतनी सारी घटनाएं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में, पर वो सीरीज में है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही केम इन, पहले वो अंदर आया. सेकंड घटना, ही पिक्ड अप द हैंडबैग. उसके बाद ही एम्प्टीड इट आउट एंड उसके बाद ही स्टोल द पर्स. तो 4 एक्शंस हो रहे हैं पास्ट में, पर वो सीरीज में हो रहे हैं. समथिंग हैड हैपेंड इन अ सीरीज ऑफ एक्शन दैट टुक प्लेस इन द पास्ट. Now, we often use the words like next or then to indicate the sequence of events. Then the burglar went into the front room, opened all the cupboards and took a valuable collection of CDs. अगर मैंने then डाला है, I simply want to say कि इसके बाद क्या हुआ. I can also talk about past repeated actions. मतलब actions in the past that were repeated. For example, when her son got older, he often went out to visit his friends after school. Now, notice over here that used to and would can be used. When her son got older, he used to go out to visit his friends after school, or he would go to visit his friends after school. I can also use the simple past tense to talk about long-term situations in the past which are no longer true. Past में थे, अभी नहीं है. अगर मैं उनको टाइमलाइन के ऊपर डालू पास्ट प्रेजेंट में, तो वो नाउ प्रेजेंट तक नहीं आते, वो पास्ट में ही है, अभी नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि ही वर्कड फॉर द पुलिस फोर्स फॉर ओवर 17 years, मतलब वो पहले काम करता था, अभी नहीं करता. Got the difference? Simple. Bill Murphy worked for the police force for over 17 years. मतलब वो 17 साल तक पुलिस फोर्स के लिए काम कर रहा था, अभी नहीं कर रहा है. No longer now. He was doing it in the past. He is not doing it now. Explorers at that time believed that the world was flat. तभी believe करते थे, अभी नहीं करते, तभी करते थे. Now, when do I use the past continuous tense? बताओ मुझे. When am I going to use the past continuous tense? When will I use the past continuous tense? If I say past continuous tense, मतलब क्या?
Action in progress in the past.
Yes, there was an action. There was an action that was going on for some time in the past. So we use the past continuous tense to provide some scene or some action is spoken about that went on for some time in the past. अभी यहाँ पर हमने past में क्या बोला है कि we with the past tense we used certain words which told us that they were happening in the past. With the perfect tense, with the present tense, with the present continuous tense, with the present perfect tense, we always used clues which told us that some actions were happening at some time. There were adverb phrases or there were clues which told us about a time of action. In the same way, in the past continuous tense, we use words like while, while, or when, when. We often use words like when or while. अगर आपको when दिखा, while दिखा, मतलब past continuous tense का action है. Simple example देती हूँ आपको. It happened at 5 in the afternoon while she was watching the news on TV. It happened. एक घटना हुई है 5 बजे, तभी She was watching. Now, while provides extra information to tell me that when something else happened, something else was, excuse me, going on. He was doing his homework in his bedroom when the burglar came into the room. So two actions are happening simultaneously. Something is happening when something else happens. Something is happening while something else is also happening. Something happened while something else was happening. So if you see the words while and when, you have to understand that the sentence is going to be in the past continuous tense. He was doing his homework. वो homework कर रहा था when the burglar came into his room. जब burglar आया. So when shows me that पहले कुछ घटना चल रही थी और तभी कुछ और हो गया. It is possible to have more than one background scenes happening at the same time. I can also say he was listening to the music and working on his computer. Two things are happening at the same time. He was listening to music and working on his computer. When we want to emphasize the activity without focusing on its completion, तभी भी हम लोग past continuous use करते हैं. जैसे मैं अगर सेंटेंस बोल रही हूँ, for a while last year I was working at the cinema studying for my degree and writing a column for the local newspaper. अब ये सारे actions में was working, was studying or studying, writing, ये सब activities में मैंने कभी भी नहीं बताया कि action complete हुआ कि नहीं, पर मैंने ये जरूर बताया कि एक टाइम था जब मैं ये भी कर रही थी, ये भी कर रही थी और ये भी कर रही थी. And that is how the past continuous is formed. Was plus verb plus ing in the present. Singular. Plural. Verb plus ing. Questions में was plus subject plus verb plus ing. Were plural subject plus verb plus ing. Correct? How to use the past continuous tense? We use the past continuous tense with was, were plus verb plus ing. Negative में कैसे use करेंगे? Was, were plus not plus verb plus ing. और question में कैसे use करूंगे? कैसे use करेंगे? Was, were plus verb plus ing. यहां तक समझ में आया है आपको? करेक्ट? मैं मेन वर्ब को बी बना के भी क्वेश्चंस बना सकती हूँ. Are you thirsty? Oh, sorry, this is the present tense. Got it? Till here, have you all understood what I am
Yes,
saying?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us see the difference. Let us see the difference between what? Let us see the difference between the present perfect and simple past. अभी मेरे को दोनों चीजें मालूम है. मुझे present perfect भी मैंने आपको explain किया है. Present perfect होता क्या है? I have explained to you. I have also explained to you past simple past. Now, how can you differentiate between the two? How can I compare the present perfect with the past simple? बोलो, दोनों में क्या अंतर है? मैंने आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी बताया कि घटना अभी नहीं हुई है, पहले हुई है, उसका असर अभी है. पास्ट टेंस में भी घटना अभी नहीं हुई है, पहले हुई है. फिर अलग अलग क्या है दोनों?
मैम क्लूज अलग अलग है दोनों में.
तो क्लूज से क्या मालूम पड़ता है? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, अगर टाइमलाइन पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट दिखाया मैंने आपको टाइमलाइन पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट दिखाया था, करेक्ट? वाहिगुरु जी.
हाँ बराबर.
Here,
मैम बताया था ना.
right? Look over here. Look on the screen once again. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर था और अभी पास्ट टेंस को भी देखो. पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर.
बराबर.
करेक्ट? आई लिव्ड इन ब्राजील फॉर 3 years. मतलब कब रहना चालू किया वो नहीं मालूम, वो नहीं बताया है. कब से 3 साल तक पर 3 साल तक था मैं, और प्रेजेंट में भी मैं हूं. प्रेजेंट में मैं हूं. वो देखो प्रेजेंट तक
मतलब
एरो पहुंचा है.
घटना कंप्लीट नहीं हुई अभी.
प्रेजेंट तक वो एरो पहुंचा है. Is everyone seeing what I'm is understand everyone understanding what I'm trying to tell you? And when I say the past tense, I've lived in Brazil for 3 years. Now in the present I am not living. Look at the timeline and understand this.
बराबर.
प्रेजेंट में वो घटना आई नहीं है, वो पास्ट में. मैं कब 3 साल ब्राजील में थी. आई वॉज देयर फॉर 3 years. आई लिव्ड इन ब्राजील फॉर 3 years मीन्स मेरे पास्ट में 3 साल तक मैं ब्राजील में थी. प्रेजेंट में नहीं हूं. पर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में वो प्रेजेंट में भी घटना पहुंची है. सो द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज अनफिनिश्ड टाइम. अनफिनिश्ड टाइम. एंड प्रेजेंट सिंपल इज फिनिश्ड टाइम. घटना हो गई, खत्म हो गई, मतलब इट वाज समवेयर इन द पास्ट. सो दिस यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. दैट मीन्स मैं ये भी बोल सकती हूँ कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस लिंक करता है पास्ट टेंस को प्रेजेंट टेंस के साथ में. कैन आई से दिस? कैन आई से दिस एवरीवन? Can I say that the present perfect tense is linking the past with the present? Is it right?
Yes.
Hello, 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 hello. More answers I want. The timelines are showing me what? That the past tense is being linked with the present tense in the present perfect. But the simple past only talks about the past. It has nothing to do with the present. यही टाइमलाइन को देख के एक और चीज मालूम होती है. क्या? That the present perfect tense does not talk about a specific time in the past. कभी वो नहीं मालूम, कभी नहीं मालूम, कभी हुआ वो नहीं मालूम है, पर हुआ है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में स्पेसिफिक टाइम नहीं मालूम, पर पास्ट सिंपल में स्पेसिफिक पास्ट टाइम मालूम है. द टाइम इज अंडरस्टूड. सो सिंपल पास्ट टाइम, simple past tense talks about a specific past time, but present perfect does not talk about a specific time. Another important thing is present perfect tense में we use time expressions that show the time is unfinished. जैसे यहाँ पर हमने for use किया है, correct? But in the past simple में we use time expressions that show that time खत्म हो चुका है. Correct? I lived in Brazil 3 years ago. यहाँ पर ago भी आना चाहिए था. तो ago होता तो मतलब time खत्म हो गया है. If I say I read 5 books last week, तो past simple last week specified time. पर अगर मैं बोलती हूँ I've read 6 articles this week. The week still hasn't finished. There's a difference between present perfect and past simple. Has everyone understood till here? Has everyone understood till here? आगे जाऊं?
Yes.
Yes, you have understood the difference between the past and the perfect. The present perfect. अभी आगे चलते हैं. Simple past or past continuous, we have discussed the difference. Now, there are certain verb forms that are identical in all the three. The verbs are the same in the present, the past, and the past participle. You must know this list by heart. Bet, burst, cast, cost, cut, fit, hit, hurt, let, put, quit, set, shut, split, spread. इन सबको ed भी नहीं लगता, en नहीं लगता, t नहीं लगता, nt नहीं लगता. You're understanding? They're always bet, burst, cast, cost. It costed me. Nahi, it cost me. She cutted her finger. No, she cut her finger. It fitted her well. No, it fit her well. इनको ed नहीं लगता है, but while talking people do use them. Now look at this picture over here. The simple past and the past continuous. See the timeline over there. The past continuous is often used together with the simple past to show that one thing happened while another thing was in progress. I was talking on the phone when my sister arrived. I told you the clues, when and while. He was drinking beer when he suddenly felt sick. She took a photo as we were getting out of the bus. We were waiting for the bus when we saw a car accident. Means simultaneously one thing happened when the other thing was in progress. Look at the timeline. We were waiting for the bus. Blue color mein hai. When we saw a car accident, मतलब waiting और waiting के बीच में ही हमने car accident देखा. Waiting खत्म नहीं हुआ है, उसके बाद भी waiting चल रहा है. Look at the timeline. We were waiting in the past waiting, now तक नहीं पहुंचा है because घटना past tense में है, तो वो now तक कभी भी नहीं आएगी. पर एक टाइम पीरियड है पास्ट और नाउ के बीच में, वो चल रही है, तो कंटिन्यूस चल रही है. चलते चलते बीच में in between something else happens. So we saw a car accident then. Got it? Let's go further. Now, इसके बाद we come to the past perfect tense. ये past perfect tense क्या है? What is the past? My God, it's already time. Past perfect onwards, I think we'll have to do next week. Has sir given some kind of schedule? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Sir has given a schedule to follow.
He has given a schedule to follow. Okay. Do you all know that your exams are preponed now? Means we won't call them preponed, but definitely we were not expecting them suddenly in July. But they're on 23rd July, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, sir has, I think you'll have provided with the app. Please solve as many mocks as you can. Start solving them now. If you all have any, see, I have finished nouns, pronouns, clauses, verbs, tenses. Next week, I'll finish this tenses part of it. The rules of tenses will come next week. So next week, again, a very important of the, because we basically learn the rules. So we will be learning the rules used for tenses and the sequence of tenses and the conditional if clauses, which are very important. These three topics are very important. So I will complete the tenses part of it. Then I will be doing the sequence of tenses. I will be doing the rules used during while using tenses. And I will be doing the conditional clauses. Condition 1, 0, condition 1, 2, 3, all three will be done. When I get my next class. Now, when is the next class? I don't know, but whenever it is, I will be doing this. We will, till here, have everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all got some kind of clarity how to use tenses now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, I will be sending worksheets for tenses. So, is it possible that you all will solve them?
Yes, ma'am.
If I send
ma'am.
worksheets on WhatsApp, is it possible that you all will solve them? They will really be helpful.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from today onwards, I'll be sending some worksheets to you all. You all can write the answers, and if you all ask, I can also send the answer booklet to you all. Right, so everyone check on it. Or if you send it to me quickly, also I will check it. I don't mind. If you simply write the answers on a sheet and then send the pic to me, I will check it immediately. Okay, for those who send for checking also, I will check them for you. If you want the answer booklet, I'll give you the answer booklet also. But I want you all to start working on tenses. Got it? I will also be sending a handout of pronouns. So whatever we have done, we can keep revising. It will be really helpful. If you all do these handouts, they are really very helpful to you. They'll be really very helpful for you all. Okay. So I think I'll stop the class here. Right? If anyone has any kind of doubts, you all can ask. So shall I stop? Yes. Thank you so much, children. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.